Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking eligibility. Roblox lets you set a display name separate from username, but account age and past changes can affect timing. Once you confirm eligibility, you need Robux if a paid change applies. Keep the amount ready. Now open Roblox, go to Settings, pick Account Info, and select Display Name. You type the desired name including spaces. Roblox allows spaces in display names, but enforces uniqueness and character rules, so enter it precisely and prepare to save. Next, you create the exact space name. Type standard space characters between words. Do not insert non-breaking or zero-width characters because Roblox may reject or sanitize them. Make sure your name fits length limits and uses only allowed characters. Symbols or excess punctuation can cause errors. Once typed, visually verify spacing and capitalization in the preview. If it looks correct, click Save or Confirm. If prompted for Robux, approve the transaction so the change completes. Finally, confirm the change and check your public profile to ensure spaces appear as intended. If Roblox rejects the name, tweak it by removing symbols, shortening words, or changing capitalization. Often minor edits resolve uniqueness conflicts. Make sure to wait for any cooldown between changes. If problems persist, clear your browser or app cache and retry, or use another device. This fixes many display quirks. If you still can't set spaces, contact Roblox support with exact name and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.